Making a photo candle is easy with sublimation. In this video, we are going to go through all the steps of sublimating a candle, pouring, and even engraving the required label information. We start with our printed photo that is printed on sublimation paper from a sublimation printer. We print the photo twice so the photo shows up vibrant on the glass candle vessel. We are using a matte white candle vessel from Makesy. This is not a sublimation blank. Matte vessels from Amazon work well too. It is important to tape around all the edges and make sure it is smooth to the vessel. We also tape around the lip of the vessel to make sure the shrink wrap does not melt into the top, making it hard to remove. Next, we wrap the vessel in shrink wrap. We buy off of Amazon. This shrink wrap is made for tumblers. We cut it to fit our vessel. Tape up the length of the seam, then use a heat gun until the wrap snugly wraps the vessel. This applies the right pressure to the vessel when it is baking in our sublimation oven. We have heated our oven to 390 and will bake for 6 minutes and let it cool for 30. You will probably have to go around the vessel a few times for the shrink wrap to be secure. If you accidentally get a hole in the shrink wrap, no worries, just put a piece of heat tape over it. Our next step is the reveal. The reveal is always exciting. You don't know what it will really look like until you unwrap. You are hoping there is no ghosting, which means the ink is blurry or didn't take in a spot. This most easily happens at the bottom. If there are any wrinkles or not enough pressure, you might get ghosting, but we taped this correctly, so I'm not expecting any problems. If you do get ghosting, just retape, shrink wrap again, and rebake. This usually fixes it. This turned out beautiful. The design is vibrant and it won't rub off or fade. Okay, now it is time to fill this candle with wax. This order is for a 14-ounce peony-scented candle with cotton wicks. We are using a Norden candle wick centering tool. We measure out 1 ounce of fragrance oil and stir for 2 minutes. Then we pour. I am using cocoa apricot wax from Makesy and my peony scent is from Flaming Candle. Our wax cures in 72 hours, but we can ship it in 24. This means we can pour today and ship tomorrow. We carefully center our wicks with our centering tool, then pour the wax slowly. We sped up this video, so don't stir and pour this fast. Next up, we will engrave the lid with all the candle information. We always engrave the inside of our candle lids. Our label design is made in Canva. It includes our company name, type of wax, where it was made, ounces and grams, and scent choice. All the required information that is normally on a candle label is engraved on the inside of our lid. I made a huge mistake and thought my camera was on for the packaging of this beautiful project, and it's already in the mail to our customer. I will capture the packaging on our next one. Thanks for watching and subscribe and like for more videos.